Hi, my name is Mehdi. I received my PhD in computer science with a concentration in machine learning for the Internet of Things. Currently, I'm working as a machine learning engineer. I'm excited to teach you deep reinforcement learning in a practical way to enable you to get up to speed quickly and be ready for your next step, such as applying this technology to your current works, finding a relevant job, or doing your own reinforcement learning project. So if you are a machine learning and AI enthusiast, data scientist, machine learning engineer, or someone with the passion to learn about an advanced machine learning topic in a simple way, you are in the right place. To take this course, you don't need to have prior reinforcement learning knowledge. However, I assume you are familiar with Python and have some basic knowledge of statistics and deep learning. In this course, we learn the concepts and fundamentals of reinforcement learning, how to formulate a problem in the context of reinforcement learning and Markov Decision Process, and how reinforcement learning algorithms work. Especially we learn about the main algorithms including Q-Learning, SARSA, as well as Deep Q-Learning. And most importantly, we apply the learned techniques to some hands-on projects. So let's begin this journey.